In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit PDF in Canva Mobile. If you've got a PDF that needs a quick fix or a refresh, you can do it right from your phone using Canva. Let's walk through it step by step so you feel confident from start to finish. Start by opening the Canva app. On the home screen, look for the plus icon at the bottom center and tap it. This opens the creation menu. Scroll all the way to the bottom until you see Uploads. Then tap Upload Files. Your device's file manager will appear. Browse to the PDF you want to work on, select it, and give it a moment to upload. Larger files can take a bit longer, so be patient and keep the app open until you see it finish. Once the upload completes, it will appear in your recent designs list on the home screen. Tap the uploaded file to open it in Canva's editor. The PDF will load as editable pages, and you can move through them just like any other design. To make changes, tap any text or image element on the page. The bottom toolbar will show the relevant options. For text, you can adjust the font, size, color, alignment, and spacing. And you can rewrite or paste in updated wording. Drag the handles to resize a text box and press and hold to reposition it precisely. For images or graphics, use the bottom toolbar to replace, crop, or adjust them, and drag to move them where you want. If you decide something doesn't belong, use the trash icon to delete it. Pinch to zoom for detailed edits, and use the undo arrow if you make a change you don't like. Take your time to review each page so everything looks consistent. When you are happy with the edits, go to the top of the screen and tap the share icon, the one with the upward arrow. Choose Download. You will be asked to select a format. Pick PDF Standard for a smaller file that's great for emailing or posting online. Or choose PDF Print for higher quality suited to professional printing. After you make your choice, confirm the download and let Canva prepare your file. It will save to your device according to your download settings. That's it. Thanks for watching.